Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new legendary fish, Blue Blossom Jelly, and fish it. First, just head to the crystal tab. If you don't know how to get there yet, just click the link in the description to watch the full tutorial. And since the Blossom Jelly is the legendary legendary level fish, like this, make sure you are using a mid to higher tier rod. I recommend to use the Gosfin or Hazmat for the better chances. And for the bait, you can use Haru bait or singularity bait to increase your luck. And then next, just keep fishing in this area until you get the fish. And for the appearance, the blossom jelly has bright blue color like this, like this, like this, and its shape looks like a flower petals like this. It's so beautiful, and the looks it's a little bit glowing like this. It's so cool, but it's so cool and beautiful. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.